Today, we have a fascinating topic lined up for you. How to use real estate to put off tax bills. Taxes are a significant part of our financial lives, but did you know that real estate can be a powerful tool to help you minimize your tax liability and build wealth? Well, that's what we're diving into today. Let's kick things off with our first fact. Fact number 1, using depreciation deduction. Real estate investors, listen up. Did you know that you can recover costs through annual depreciation deductions? Yep, that's right. By doing this, you can significantly reduce your taxable income. The Modified Accelerated Cost Recovery System, or MACRS, is a commonly used method for calculating depreciation. Now, let's move on to the second strategy. Fact number 2, taking advantage of 1031 exchanges. This one's a game changer. Section 1031 exchanges allow real estate investors to defer taxes when selling one property and reinvesting in another of equal or greater value. However, there are specific criteria that must be met, and you'll need a qualified intermediary to navigate this process. Alright, let's keep the tax-saving train rolling. Fact number 3, borrowing against home equity. If you're a property owner, this strategy might pique your interest. You can refinance your homes or investment properties to extract equity for further investments or other financial purposes. Keep in mind, though, this does involve taking on additional debt. Now, let's talk about some tax benefits for homeowners. Fact number 4, deferring taxes on home sales. For all you homeowners out there, pay attention. You can potentially exclude up to $500,000 for couples filing jointly, or $250,000 for singles in capital gains taxes when selling your primary residence. But, of course, certain conditions must be met. And here's another advantage for homeowners. Fact number 5, deducting mortgage interest. Homeowners, don't forget this one. You can deduct mortgage interest payments on your tax returns, subject to certain limitations. It's a great way to reduce your taxable income. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. And, as always, if you have any questions or want to share your real estate tax-saving experiences, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.